Today we will talk about how to change the text inside quotes as italic and left justified. So you can see like I have created this document and this is the text which is inside quotes, and I have other as well. So this is the text which is inside quotes and this is the one which is inside quotes. So the way how we can do that, we can just simply choose the text and we can change the font from here and change it to italic and just make it left justified, but we have to do it one by one. So I'll just show you how you can do it for the entire document. So we can do it by find and change option in InDesign. So if I go over here and go to find and change option, now we need to go for the grep styles. So grep, three things we have to consider. First is the opening quote, the second is the text, and the third one is the closing quote. So first of all, I'll go over here and go to quotation mark, any single quotation mark. Then I have to go for the character. I go to wildcard and I go to any character. So now if I just keep this, and the last option is to single quotation mark. So this is opening quotation mark, character and single quotation mark. But if I just keep it like this, so what will happen is it will only look for the first text within the quotes, and it will not go for the entire document. It will just change the first one and it will not do the rest of the document. So what we will do is, after the character, we will go over here, repeat one or more times. So it will repeat one or more times. Now we have three groups. So let's differentiate it in the groups. So the first quotation mark, I just keep in this brackets. So brackets, what it will do is it will just divide it into three groups. So now we have three groups. First is the opening quotation mark, second one is the character and find and repeat, and the third is the closing one. Now what we have to target is the text which is inside the quotation marks. And if I go over here, found to, so $2 means it will find the text which is inside that, and then it will change the format what we will choose. So we keep it as $2, and now we have to change the format. If I click on change format, I can go over here, I can choose the font which I need. I choose Arial, I choose italic, and I can choose the text size as well. So whatever your requirement is, you can choose from here. Now if I go to intents and spacing, I can see alignment, and I want my text to be left justify. I click on OK. So you can see everything is here. Alright, so I can just go to FindNext, and FindNext, it was able to find all the text which is inside code. But there is one thing I wanted to show. So you can see the codes are coming twice in this particular single line. This one, and this one, and these two are separate entities. So but if I go to FindNext, it will select the entire line, because it does not know like from where the quotes are starting and from where the quotes are ending. And to avoid this, so what I'll do is I'll just keep a question mark over here, so that it will break after the first opening and closing quote. So if I now try to find next, so it's just keeping it as a different text, and it's keeping it as a different text. Now if I go to change all, and you can see 13 replacements have been made. So this has been made to italic, this is also changed to italic. Now you have noticed that the quotes which were there in those are gone now, because we were only targeting the middle part of this. But if you have a requirement and you want the quotes as well, so we'll just do undo, and now over here what we'll do is we'll just found one and found three. So all the three groups it will target now. I go to next, so it's able to find all my text. Now if I go to change all, and it says like 13 replacements have been made, and now you can see the text has been changed and it has the quotation mark as well. So this is how you can do it for the entire document. And if you want to do it for the story, you can just choose like these are the options, and the same goes for if there is some text in the brackets or any other style. So this is just a way how you can make things easier if you want to do find and replace for the whole document. So hope this helps, and hope this helped with your workflow as well. Thank you.